Welcome back. With the standoff in Ladakh continues, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh met his Chinese counterpart, General Fenghe, in Moscow on the sidelines of Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit on Friday. In a meeting that lasted for over 2 hours, Rajnath Singh made it clear that India wants restoration of status quo at all friction points in eastern Ladakh. China, meanwhile, still is brazen and is blaming India for the ongoing standoff. Chinese Defence Minister Fenghe also said that the relationship between India and China has been severely affected due to the border issue and that India must refrain from any provocation. Defence Ministry, however, is emphasizing that China has amassed large troops and trying to alter the unilateral status quo along the LAC. Rajnath Singh also has added there should be no doubt about our determination to protect India's sovereignty. Friday's crucial meeting was the first high-level engagement between the two sides ever since fresh hostilities broke out in the South Pangong Tso, where India is maintaining, for now, a dominant position.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.